भारत में शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में नवाचार या इनोवेटिव उपक्रम के प्रोत्साहक चीफ इनोवेशन ऑफिसर मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन भारत सरकार डॉक्टर अभय जेरे जी को मैं सादर आमंत्रित करती हूं कि आप आएं और अपने विचारों से हमारा मार्गदर्शन करें। डॉक्टर अभय जेरे जी।
His Excellency Sri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji, Honorable Governor of Maharashtra. First, sir, I would really like to thank you for promoting innovation within our universities as Chancellor, because in last 2 years, the number of innovation-related activities and entrepreneurship-related activities which have our universities and our colleges have organized are simply unprecedented, and it couldn't have been without your support, without your encouragement. So I would really like to thank you, and I would like to request audience to give a big round of applause for him. My dear friend, well-wisher, philosopher, Shweta Shalini ji, again, a great champion of innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem within our country. Deepika ji, Bhavesh ji, Team Millennium, Divas. I'm really thankful to you all for inviting me to this award function. I would also like to take this opportunity to congratulate all the awardees for doing such a phenomenal job. I have seen some of the work which you all are doing. It's extremely encouraging, and we really need to continue, but this is just the beginning. We all know that India is the third largest startup innovation ecosystem. But if you really look at China and US, who are ahead of us, there is a huge difference. Same happens, or same is the case when it comes to IP creation. Again, they are far ahead of us. And through Ministry of Education, we are actually focusing a lot on how we can promote IP creation, innovation, ideation in our educational institutions. Since last 70 years, we have inherited the education system from British Raj. And if you have to describe that education system, we can just describe it in one phrase: swallow and vomit. You must have seen that famous movie in which we have two characters, Chatur and Rancho. You all know the movie which I am talking about, right? Unfortunately, we have produced large number of Chaturs and hardly any Ranchos. And now this needs to change. Through the new education policy, through this innovation cell, we are trying to change that. On Innovation Index, our ranking in 2014 was 81, and now we are 48. In last 7 years, we have jumped. India is the only country which has jumped such substantially. But a country of 1.3 billion, 3 people, whether this 48 rank is really, whether it's doing justice to our potential, the honest answer is no. Because if you see the countries which are ahead of us, Malta, Moldova, Estonia, they are doing far better. When it comes to IP, I will just share with you some statistics, some numbers, which will help you understand where we are. On an annual basis, if you look at just IP filing, China is filing 15 lakh patents. US is around 6.5 lakh. And if you really look at Indian numbers, we are just 45,000 to 50,000. China is 15 lakh, we are 50,000. And on top of it, more than 60 to 65% of that 50,000 is by non-residential Indians. We have 40,000 plus educational institutions. And we can safely say more than 80 to 85% of these institutions have never filed an IP ever. Are we dumb? No. ऐसा नहीं है ना कि आइडिया सिर्फ चाइनीज और यूएस में लोगों को आते हैं. Unfortunately, the ecosystem which will take all these ideas logically forward and we can owe up those ideas, that ecosystem is missing. And through last 3-4 years, through this innovation cell, we are trying to create that ecosystem. And we believe that if we have to actually change the way India is moving forward, then we really need to push our educational institutes towards chasing ideas. Currently what they are doing, they are chasing marks, they are chasing grades, they are chasing passing percentages. But none of them are chasing ideas. We really need to change that. And that's a tectonic shift in that mindset which we really need to achieve. If we have to really emerge as Jagat Guru, then we have to ensure that we don't just create ideas for the country, but we have to create ideas which will have global impact. And then only it is possible for us to achieve that past glory which we are talking about. Through awards function like this, I think we are in the right direction. We certainly believe that this should not stop here. Just coming here, clapping and going home doesn't make sense. What we really now need to explore or to ensure that how we can take these award winners forward, how we can handhold them, how we can support them. And from Ministry of Education, especially Innovation Cell, I will be more than happy to explore how best we can support some of them if they are associated with college. So once again, I really thank the entire team for inviting me here, giving me this opportunity. And I wish you all the best, and let's continue working together. Thank you very much.